abusan for mama kwaba me mama ajo we me wo case ana ya say hia wo Adom TV so no na chese munu aba me ana me ne mo etnase e wa ha ne ye fra me vim lady efia pokua me wo case ana ene ye de ato amunti efia da bi a wo ba bi wo te ka mu ko na bia wutie wo asempa 94.7 a ya da asese wo de ato asempa na wutie ana se wo de ato Adom TV so kunkumbagia for temani ni team ya da masepa asem de kunkumbagia e de ebreye na ya to aso em say na no anya vision because you are in the spirit oja na spirit ne ka chem say member bi bom ma bia abro na ma bi susu ya akohwefo because ene de ebe kan wasem ya very serious pa concubinage and penatria mu odre lord say say obama bi no oba bi tina o mewa wo pre no na wo baako mewa wo mienu mewa miensa ubetimi akasa oye yire cause na de aba ne say Ghana for gesi woni be ma bi twimp na ne maame nom ne papa nom ni nimpe oh mi kunu no oh my husband wodi ai wodi ai no waso ba ye she rough so wadwe ye say my husband woni husband bia o ba bia o wo ba ma nye wo ho ade emfa ka wan hye wo tie de ne mienu wo ye ho ade ofie enye kokoko ntie na ye ba be ka ho asem die ne kokoko knocking eye die uko introduce wo kire oba abusuafo ana ba ma abusuafo a se ba ma bi de ukochia ne maame ne nuanom ne ade a eye aware eye knocking ana se oba wabusuafo ne ade de ukochia ba ma bi a eye knocking ana bi kra ne boy ne wo ho na wanyem wonyem ye na papa nom ne wabusuafo ye se ye fa nko ba ma ne ho mom nyina nko se ba ma ye ba nu aye ni se yo wo mo ya nom se ne ye ba ma hwe no na wo wo a ye de wa ba kire no ubetimi aka se ye okunu obi won ma ye kokoko no wi anu watutu ne nkuku nkaka wakotena be ma no so one room no ote no ne be ma nete wo where is my husband okowe ni ebusa no a oh na my husband oh my husband be ba be madam tipri wani so wanwe ye o wadwene be bom wonyo se de ekakase wonyo wo le ebe abodam ebeti wani so da be ma ne be wuo ana asem be ba no wonya yire se yenye ho ade enye ho ade ne etiri nsa wontomanie wo handkerchief ne wo kawanie we a mesrew wo wudu wonya yire ene ba be ka ho asem ne ya ba so obi ni obi tena che na bi on na tena fie du mfie wo mu firi kuma se kwa be tena kan ana wo mu fie akra akọ trek kra akọ tena tamale mabọ bra makọ tena brochire won shed anya ho ade obi akọkọkọ ne wo ne na tena be 30 years wo be ye yire ana wa fro wife ama ne namfo no mabusia obi animu o enso ye nya ho ade o utumi ye wife ma ne yeye ene abe ka ni nyina ho asem we ye very serious issue ni ewi ahwe so baby ni oba ma bi kura wa no mu ja ware a wo betimi aba be ware ka ho ana afo obi hye wo boso obe wa ho ya toto ne ema nyina awie wanwa wa wo betimi akoje ne ema no ana so betimi na sese abu nkunta age ne ema na na mi wo case na ne kofo bia warefo bi mema bi o mo ne kofo bi anyem kosa ne so etire nsa no so ya giri bebre nti boys bebre ayi wo madwene se ne wo mo no mo ware wo mba bagum sa wurade wani beba anso no wa wotre na de ote ho se wife wo ne te kra ye be hwe se ni nyina no eye aware ana we o mi o case ana ya fa me vim lady efia pokua na ma me nkamfo itabia eba me shama because ene Ghana no abrabo a ye koba nyina wa ni diye wo be wu amasabe wa yi ase na se won se joy daddy fo no ade adonkofo nam tanwa edu wa yi ase ana ehwa ne ye be serve de mu odin gas bi so o maba wo mo fe no wo mo chema me water gas wa yi ase ne ye be bu atopan kase me serew wunya aduane atabia dibi what I say na tachi bites fa wo no na wa won rock so de wo no pa na de lemon bi tua so ne sa awurade makafu itie wakuno wo be no mama ne gas wo be bu o matopan ma me ama wo ma wo ne sa gas bia mu za makafu ba mo ntwem ho ko bra no said onom na tachi bites so oni ge ntimi nimbe ode koye na tachi so tata hwe ya Friday koye kiki bis nkrofo bi ti wonom chese deja wo mu wie dia kofa time na ne gas nkrofom awurade Ghana about time bre wo mamma na ehunu amane we wo bi kotene na ntem saade sa na tachi so ya ma potency ni nkofom so ho na de wo ye no nkofo awafo na ka so ton ma mo na makafu we no ton ma mo a okopra nkofo masa won so abranti wo tisisu a wan hwe a na oprakura no Mr. Pa ma benis so wo be ye ready so obebu atopan de abra yesusu na fa bisie 10 cedi 20 50 wo benya 1 million sesi anu asidan ma benis fo wa asase a you try kakra sope ma ho be 5 years wo no achi awie na wo ko wo mo dan kra ye ndada a che se ma benefitfo ye a wo mo abeboa wo na fa otimi aye papa pom numbers ni efra mo se si ameka se Friday na fe eduada ko hu omo na ne omo emo nkomo 0204590190 S Nash wo mo bubu ashi church of station one ma S Nash me see the whole Ghana obi eni one ma we ge papa wo ye bie ma awurade na abne we was hey na we gi ni e we dey me hu bi na say yes this is S Nash e bi ni Ghana one pe America na de ba we bi ni Ghana S Nash ba ko pe we ya mema number na akoro obubu ashi udu the whole day obi Accra hands down S Nash awurade premier ni papa wono wonim de nti we aso tiwe no say chew me de nam town wa de ya ntu ai umma me 10,000 there na obetumi abetu we de S Nash hop akope yemra ne yemeto asemo me o case anani ye be kokokọ ya wa ye ananya wa ye ba Ejefo ya sama makwa babie mi wo case na ye de to amo ewo Adom TV so ye to aso na fe ye chem se mi wo case na ye de bra o me se nen sem bebre na ye be kan wasem me ne lawyer Kwaku Arabike we obo fada de fa Nigerian so Ghana ne aka bom na wa Nigeria president Buhari na no wo so be ma ayi a fight corruption na say o bakra wa ha say onu kwani say Nigeria mutumi fight corruption na ya te cross Nigeria for onu kwa so o man soma Buhari ai ti patwa adwo be sam no mu delete because on one chrome corruption a case and crack to me risk na Ghana he yeah akofa Matiami do na abebo aye jai Matiami do crab chiche omu nyina ma ra Kwaku Arabike me ma akwa good evening so se boko there eyi won so sign eyi Pentecost for nti konkrom awurade asem na the Bible na ebe wo no ene aka lo ma me fa we nhase kokoko no aware ana
ye kan say kokoko a oberima betimi a hu oba bi obeka cho ne se o ma me ko hu wufu no mo say mi wo ho but in law no the law doesn't accept kokoko as marriage. In Ghana there are 3 forms of marriages: ordinance marriage, customary law marriage, and Islamic law.
Yetiase nde waka sabrofo but se kokoko na ye amamre o
no but
se nka uko before be kwakọ ye oba ho ade no ukobom ni ye wa na afi okoboa ho wa beje list no wa boa ho no aba
so anti
se nka kan ware no customary law no
anti some be ye the other rights no kokoko alone is not marriage.
Na ne kokoko na eden
it's like you are only introducing yourself like I want to marry this person so the parents should know that you are the one in the life of the person. You come later to perform the rites of marriage. So kokoko alone is not enough. And what most men have been taking advantage of that to deceive the ladies of today. They go and see the ladies' parents, then the ladies will move in with them. They will take advantage, sleep with them, impregnate them, and then no.
We are lawyer. We serious allegation. I am no. Serious allegation. Say,
Yes.
Might take advantage of girls na. We are not matam girls. That's almost what baby for so baby so on ne kodada. Maybe I saw money on Mukana. Me no wakana
most of the ladies most of them are interested in our marriage and co. So when the man I will marry you, then all the mind is the man will marry him. But then she will wait for the man to perform the rites of marriage.
Lawyer. When kwa make be my boys no. Me ware o, me se me wa o. Na what to abetina me. Na me dey me wo so go me catch am so a. Wo da o. Dey bia akwa down share draws.
Yeah, that's why the ladies should be very, very careful. They should wait until the man performs the marriage.
Careful. Omo di 18 years. Omo di 18.
No, but even in spite of that, they should be very careful.
Lawyer.
Yes.
What the 18 years and above? Is it consent age for sex years 16?
Okay. Yeah.
16 yo. Udi 16 utumi pene so ma be ma say one ne beko. Uni 16 and is a be ma opene so ma no kra no koda and dey waye bone. So on watomra. But when the 16 wo ho kwan so to be kire bra makafu ya na jesi ana yi say oh bra kwan da.
But if you look at our
Debi lawyer wo dey ma me ma scenario no. Na say wa ma be ma ne say be ma na da na ade otinchini na gum. Ana anwa na gum.
But if you look at our cultural setting and then our religious setting,
Seseng.
the ladies should keep themselves before marriage. Yes, so
lawyer, ladies should keep themselves in there. And our law,
if you look at Islam, they expect the ladies to be chaste. If you look at Christianity today, they expect the ladies to be chaste. And if you look at traditional law, it's like they expect the ladies to be chaste.
Now, why they expect ladies in some chaste? Why they expect?
Oh, the society.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, I know your Obama and you must say chaste. Your Obama,
no, both the ladies and the men should be chaste.
No,
that's why I will tell the ladies to be very, very careful.
Mama, careful.
They should be very
on the
careful.
And I guess now, when was Sentinel report? No, we shall Sentinel report, ma. And Crawford that as young as 10, 12, 13. In
Ghana, that's defilement.
Oh,
if the person is not assisting, that's defilement.
But one report, no. Central region, the whole Ghana. The highest number of those cases.
So the law will go after those men who have done.
The law is sitting in a Tuguba's office and they are chopping the game.
It's criminal offense to sleep with ladies below 16. Yes.
The law is sitting in your bosom in Accra, sitting in the bosom of Atuguba and sitting in the Supreme Court. What also regards you what time?
Yeah, so maybe a parent can take such a
lawyer. And then Friday, parents are my brother. What my brother? What they are checking one? Into the onse kokoko na nya ware. Nti ye kokoko na men kotena be manifie.
Debi. Ukwa. The man can use your bet me the open. You become pregnant. You cannot force him to marry you, and no law can force the man to marry you. Because you know the consent of both parties to marry.
Okay, mpacho say be ma koye kokoko wie. Na bia one ne nyem a. Untumi mfa ne kokoko te say judge, me ne die because o share me boss say obe wire me no odi enimu krampo be ye kokoko no utumi fa kokoko ne nya dance say judge wa promise me so obe wire me mane wire me utumi
no even if you go to court for breach of
be man kasa de ne way buy be ye kokoko no
if you even go to court for breach of marriage the court cannot force the man to marry you. They may force the man to pay some all they can do is to force the man to pay some damages, but they cannot ask the man to marry. No, it's not compulsory in law. You cannot force anybody to marry you.
When your case be Ghana, how be the Obia Cocote, you damage man.
Oh, I think if you look at the law reports, you may get some. Yeah.
You did damage man.
Yes, yeah. When it comes to breach of promise to marry, they can take damages for the.
Oh, sir. One
yes, for breach of promise of marriage. Yeah. But the law cannot force him to marry you, because you know the consent of both parties before you can marry.
Okay. Inti yes. Say, my we no, my correct. You know, kana no be busa question. Bisa me musa na uni ha. Say, so sofu bi. Wo shira ware so. Na so sofu ni ye man to me so shira ware no so a. Sofu na beti me de na kotum.
If you look at section 268 of the Criminal Offences Act, say who need to me before you can officiate marriage under the ordinance, the minister should be a gazetted minister. So if the minister is not gazetted, the law says he has committed an offense and it's misdemeanor. You can go to prison for up to 3 years.
I have a tree in a frack, a cram, and I said, Nigeria for only take you over there. It's your Buhari, say, yeah, more to me say, won't shira our now, Koya. In Brown say, you've committed misdemeanor, and you can be prison for up to 3 years. Yeah, for 3 years, yes. Yeah, for doing that. It's in the Criminal Offences Act. Oh, when they are reported, we'll take it on. Yes. When they are they've not reported them to us. No, nobody has come to report that. So if anybody comes, they should even go to court. Because we don't. No, when we talk about the person being gazetted, why gazetted, Anaa? So see why you gazetted. You can ask him for the copy of the gazette. No, as I would be gazetting it is a government paper. As I didn't buy gazette, you know, say ambassador. Trust one year gazetted. So be able to software and sana.
Yes.
Or man software shana why.
I'm so last me call Kumasi, mini Kumasi ministers come from minimum Kokasai. Me do no say so be gazetted no. There was a senior minister or branch the Brew Ghana. But you on Nimpo say yes and on your gazetted.
That's what she was
in the eyes of the law, all that the man did were all null and void.
One may have an example, because the way so atumra.
Yeah, but somebody should take it to court.
Una all register general muna mucha aware nyina so.
Yeah, but it's for the court, yeah, to punish him. No, we don't punish them, it's the court, yeah.
Nti na how about osofo a ebi obi aware na onipa na wu na ye che ejapade no wanye will na osofo na di anima omo che ejapade no osofo so right obetimi a che ejapade no. Obeche obi ejapade.
Yeah, so be anya wi na opeso mo che ejapade na. You use PNS lo 111.
Nti sofo no to me fa ni to me che ejapade.
Oh, yeah, you sue PNS lo 111. Yeah. 316 goes to the widow. Or if there are more than one, at customary law, the widows will share 316.
I see.
916 to all the children. 1/8 to the survivor. If the parents are alive, 1/8. Then the rest of the
all the children in patrol, all the children no. Se bema na awo nkwala awo nchen a unim se unua no mema no. Wo de oye Pentecost of but e be bad. Okra wa se me ya na me check o.
But once the man
ebi mu ko wo nchen. To obewu no na one na yire ma ebi a 2 ana ebi ko ni yire ni ma na ebi one na yire 5 na eyiye na se ana obewu na yede nkwala be 5 be bia ba so ukru no betna anu mba we kra wo yo eno so e.
Yeah, so if they can prove that truly they are the children of the deceased, yeah, the law will give them portions, yes.
Inti bacho Mrs. no betimi aka say me ma omo.
Oh, Debbie. Once the man has recognized them or the family knows them, yeah. Or not to me, can say, oh, mama, you no be using it to me, Debbie. Need them ye 316. The rest of the 916 will go to the children. 1/8 to the man's parents if they are alive.
Okay.
And then the rest of the 1/8 to customary law. If it is matrilineal, go to the family. If patrilineal is children that inherit. Yeah.
Pacho, oba bi wo no mo say, e ma no ye brepa o. Oni be ma bra bi ko be ma hu no ni ka pre. Shatawale be say ni na bo wo toko jeans, tutu trouser. Na wa bra no ni oba ma na sidan ni ade na wa ko wo ma wo ba bia. Wo oba hu ni right say masa me asase we kra dan ni so me na me dia. Ana bia me de ma be ma na esiye. Nti me mo ba no illegitimate children no me mo mu bi.
One of the justices only said in Ghana we don't have anything like illegitimate children. One the man
any bastard
no. One the man has recognized them as his children. There's nothing like illegitimate children in Ghana.
Enti Debbie lo but what I just say obema de obetimi akọ nante abbo no hwe mu sebe na Friday make us mo fancha me se matra akọ wood your pebia there's nothing like illegitimate children.
Yeah,
na ya me oba na me ko wo baby me de no.
Let's get it clear. Even if he marries a second wife, the law will not recognize the second marriage. But for the children, the law will recognize them. No, it's the law. So
because who oba no wife no unim ehun hwe o. Uti wonu ma yie na se o. Ebi wonu kwa ye na watwe na ye de aba so.
No, but by some of the family members will get to know. So once the
but it's not fair. Who only be man na bre no. Now ma foforo aba na o maka say na ye papa.
I agree with you, but that's the law. Allow me clarify this. I heard a man married a woman under customary law.
If you are worried.
And I was Sankowaro Biwo ordinance. So the man died. And the second lady he married claimed she was married under the ordinance.
I saw on there and
so, but that's a criminal act because if you marry somebody under customary law, you cannot marry a second person under ordinance.
No,
yes. No, it's like nobody has gone to court.
Yeah, for bigamy.
Oh, yeah. This case, Jemfi against Jemfi. No, but yes, but it's like the ladies are not going to court. Let me say this. I think I went to a church to speak to them. Obama said, "Ma no worry no under ordinance."
If you are worried,
no ordinance.
Ordinance, yeah, for people.
On his son, yeah. And before she could deliver, the man had moved in with another lady. And I was telling her, once there's no divorce, the lady have to go to court for the marriage to be dissolved. Or say unto me, or true. Even she has said she cannot marry because the first marriage is still subsisting. Until me name the entire bring through court. Yeah, the court is for justice. Oh, so you will legal aid.
La, what's it?
You will legal aid.
Omunya duma. Who? Me, yeah, starting me okay, and I call legal aid. Omunya 3 and more. 3 no cross. We call leave. We see on teach. Omunya duma. Forget legal aid. Until Obama be waro. if you are here now, some poppy, baby, or so didn't cock.
No, the second marriage is not even valid. The law doesn't recognize the second marriage.
Yes. Law no just second one no tomorrow. On the Bama, the Obu to pawn your Bama or ditch up money. On any living good. It is a partner the second wife cannot claim any property. Why never can be a more lawyer? Sabro when I'm Mentias, no. Our papa knew what Ebusa for a move you about a common gange up. Where does the law protect Wona or your proper wife? And
but if you don't take any action, how do you want the law to protect you? You have to take action. You initiate the court. Yeah, you initiate the action in court. And the court. Yes. Oh, but you call circuit court and a high court.
Yeah, what area? District.
Yeah,
yes. Okay. Inti law Bema no ni wo kwan se bia nipa no wu a. Na me fa say mu ja aware a. Efia ware o, asori di o. Osofo wo kwan so no obegu aware no.
Oh, there be can if you are warrior, you can do it at the family level.
Okay.
But you can't ordinance marriage. It's only in the court. The bet me the civil marriage, you know. What we can say? You can say if you are warrior, bet me no. You can bet me the civil fee and bet me court soon.
Okay.
Cause marriage law.
Okay.
But you can't ordinance marriage. I say what you court. So one court. Won't you mean in the civil? It's only court. The bet me the civil ordinance marriage.
I see.
Yes,
ordinance marriage need just a court.
Just a court.
But if you are you bet me that court so akogu no.
Oh, you bet me. I'm said about 3 weeks ago, me say case be court bigamy. Me name say who.
Oh, bigamy. Oh.
Yeah. Times reported it.
I see.
I'm say my man say on power until ordinance marriage or the san come family no. Man who can say because of the wajano. And also call warrior before through. And no man call warrior before. And no banu ba say on January. Until you the man call court. They stopped the marriage. Yes. It was reported in the Times about 3 weeks ago.
Man didn't sakwa and
Oban didn't sanu koi. Until after some time.
No, didn't sakwa.
And say ordinance.
It in the procedure was wrong. But then a court now I infer say. By the action of Obanos or didn't sakwa.
No, but they have to go through the right procedure. They didn't go to court.
I said the man didn't have any intention to commit crime.
No, but ignorance of the law is no excuse. So,
but I think ignorance of the law should have been an excuse for the man. No, but say who koja waye na what is oh man be a wicked it na sometimes who oba no wo don sako say who koja waye na waja be man no hwasa on na wo de wo si wagedem what is say oba man na yokowaye wo de court say oh yeah da ho na court na twe be man na so
nti em say case no court nti ye hu say na be egusi wo court e happened about 3 weeks ago yeah
when kwade the court should have well, Mama Menka also go so I watch Adom TV. Me okay sana na de ebro no. Ye wazo ye so ye kan awaye ho asempatho ye so ye say kokoko enya awaye introduction enya awaye. Se ye be kokoko said den na se ye nye ho ade ne ye nwie ho ade ne yiye according to mum amamra we nkrani a according to nkrafo amamre we anwurani a according to anwurafo amamre na ya anye no a onya yire. Nti be ma no wudu kra onya yire. Pacho lawyer say obi ni obi tina be 30 years mote area hofo nyina anim say bebi am one na bobra mo bia adwuma bom ma wo ma mo hwe nkola yi ebi wo kwa mo tina be 30 years o mo fi makura se na mbebo obra wo nkran na mbebo obra wo kuma se ma ye adwuma sa obi anim mo abusuafo na agi watum nso wo abusuafo agina tum untumi nka se but ye nye eho ade ba ebi wo kra mo ye se mo koya ho ade no kwa no papa oh mo forget it I say we dey mo ya worry
times the family can say they recognize the person but so papa no wa ono be kire say wunya yiri o can say the am say wunya no wunya nye so some of the family members some of the families are bad they will be saying oh you are the wife but if the man because of property they will tell you they don't know you so I say all the Ghana ladies should get this clear that they should make sure the right thing is done so that they will be protected by law.
Okay.
Ma papa no onye dey say onye. Onwaru he should marry you as according to law.
I see.
Yes.
But one in a woman enkola na.
Yeah, as for that, let me say the law will force the man to maintain the children.
Okay.
Yes. But what me force will say on worry no they want to me banus.
But no so just all the court and sana court force be man to nhwe nkwala no.
Yes, you can go to district court for maintenance.
Court no ni asem no. Cause here mu ye law book ni be to police station. To do anaka police for na enforce law no. Cause court no be cha ade na mo cases ni cha court na lawyer.
Oh, all the time. So when you simple no when you simple case maintenance.
So na nti ono ankasa betimi afale ohia lawyer na.
Oh, no come as for district court betimi akọ without a lawyer for district court, yes.
Na no utu ya saying.
Oh, I'm say maybe by 50 Ghana cedis you can initiate the action. Yes, it's not expensive.
Because we say o judge mai na be ma afede odi ko court wa ko fa lawyer.
Yeah, enu de antisa. Yeah.
And I want you kwaso na egu enu ase no so e.
Oh, it's held in camera.
We inside.
Yeah, inside. Oh, it's held in camera.
Because remember be one my especially divorce cases. Uko jana waria muko court after
divorce too it's held in camera.
Yeah,
inside. Oh,
because ebi mugu ebi menu asepa
it's held in camera.
Pacho say ye kokoko na say the okay so be ma betime take advantage ye kokoko na no akotena ono oti na say na ju free sex so ha anti oda mpa no so na wo so wa hye 19 na ebi mu okro mu ko hye omo de ntoma kra bo mu keke. So ono awon shada dress no abo powder no be man so enya na do fode sande ono so on da do fode obeye aduma do fode no onyimwa akola na ebe wo no time amo ye kokoko no akola no oye ba obetima ka so a proper oye legitimate child.
Oh, as I said earlier, in Ghana, as Olenu said, in Ghana we don't have anything called him illegitimate child. So once the man recognizes the child as his own, Oyeba, yes.
Oyeba, even though a kokoko.
Oh, yeah, the man, when the man has recognized.
The kokoko is a akolabia shebre.
Oh, Debbie. But Obano dear, Onya Yuri, according to the.
Tiberman bet me, yes, so we are not work of Monochian University Niger.
Yeah, so that's why.
Into why I kokoko, to me, Costopia, why no. Or shall me bottle about me.
Yeah, so for that one, she may have a locus standard to stop because you promised her you marry her. So she can even take it to court for breach of promise of marriage.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How about it? Bia, mo worry you, but what yes, mbo worry. Mo waka, or no so waka, mo na matias here. Now, be manaka so say, and they koto atade ko try. Ukoto mpaboa say o try. Lo say o jacket you try and sana uto. Me boa, o try.
Yes.
Me yeah, my cost for each shopper. Yet me the more dressing mu na wa try. Utumi de bitwa selfie crown and sana wato. Until I say try. Na fie be afi bosumi aba trying. Bosumi mienu trying. Bosumi asa trying. 1 year ko trying. 2 years ko trying. 3 years ko trying. Ubetimi de be man akoko say Dad, what try I say what's going try no I say our enemy untumi nkoye. Untumi nkoye case we court.
No, they even go to court if it can be expressed or implied. So in this case maybe by implication, but Mark I say, well, I promise you it's about worry. But court to me can say, Bauman say to me waru. You need the man's consent. So the court cannot force.
Or should the duration of trying now.
All that the court can do is to award damages.
Oh,
about Papa no trust can be more, but on to me can say.
Lord, no him no say any damage too. Pacho, nipa body no. We a measurement woman ye.
No, so let me.
Hey, what before be more virgin?
Let me say.
When Bumu to cross 3 years.
Yeah, so let me.
Now, how would he assess the extent of damage? Lawyer, no, serious. Now, judge, no, one get. No, I can't begin to imagine. Only will be at that 3 years, 4 years.
That's why I was.
Why you so much? That's why I was. That's why I know Bobby socks. How would you extend the? And I become
no, that's why. That's why I would advise the ladies to keep themselves before.
But I don't know
because I want to a place to talk to them. And the man was saying that if you want to buy a car, you have to first test the engine. No, but ladies are not meant to be tested or tested before marriage.
But I don't want to test it. No,
you know, but yeah, so they should be very careful because the repercussions are there.
Yeah, but that is why the law should protect Omwa. You see, the law should protect the vulnerable.
So the law may award damages against them, but the law cannot.
How would they measure the damage? No,
that will be for the court to do. Because that's what the judges have been trained to do. So
they can award the damage by checking Obano. because me director say Raymond say oh no me say guess we on my use watch it we say yeah you ban say lawyer fan kokote be dey na judge a check him say 1 year ayi be say atopan at 6 to 6 atopan hin na wom minus times the number of days in a week. And then that is what we saw. Only the that saying how many days?
Let me even say there's a case. There's a case that came to me. I think the man and the lady they've been cohabiting. Before the man could, before the lady could say Jack, the man had gone to take another lady. That's when the lady went crying to the pastor. But there's nothing the pastor could do.
Yes, pastor.
There's nothing the pastor could do. And then this other one, the lady and the man have been cohabiting, and then several abortions. And then later, the man's father was telling the man, I will not let you marry this lady until the lady becomes pregnant. And now the man wants to marry the lady, but the lady is not getting pregnant.
Hey.
So it's like the man can leave her, go and marry another person. And the law will not force, but that's not the ideal thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's wickedness. No, we are looking at this.
Cohabit with men.
No. They should make sure it even goes against our Christian doctrine, Islamic doctrine, and our traditional doctrine.
And no,
they should be very careful.
And a Pentecost, I saw you with you. I saw them one man go for bungo for you. Omunko. Now, so him Lydia and Postino, Valentine, your quiet story. Asa. Omoja condom, no motono. Asanti, how can they forget it? Missy,
we should keep reminding them.
Yes. The Bible now would say in the last days, people will be, children will be disobedient. This is the day they are serious, very disobedient. Until the law should protect them.
Yeah, so all that the law could do is maybe grant them damages, but the law cannot. So do you want the law to force them to marry them? Or
me per se a law.
No, but for now the
law say only obey when you're ready. I make go to pan. Why you go to pan? The law should force you to marry the woman.
No, but now that's not the law.
It's
the law can only force the man to pay damages for breach of promise.
Damage no cross me issue. How do you calculate the hey?
So the lady should be very careful.
Me evidence. Tina ya na mama me cameraman. But omunye he say omu konum na natechi ni ade anam ayi awrade tatahwe. Then what they are doing to people in town. Obe you so sa if you na do 12 akosi ano passes times number of week. Serious 5 days in a week.
So the ladies should be very, very careful.
Times 365 days in a year.
I agree with you.
That's why the court major damage. How would the court calculate at panel? And the damage.
No, I agree with you. That's why the ladies should.
It's not easy.
The ladies should wise up. I agree with you. That's why they should wise up.
And some of them even go to the extent. Omuji girls want to oh, me need to go and aduma nko ye mama 1 million no aje, mama 5 million no aje. Na na obi ba ha say, sa on na ye miscarriages bed yo. The girl has given boy no 50 million waje. Say wakofo oba fufuro. After 3 miscarriages, wakofo oba fufuro. Oba ni nya obi a ono de onyeme. Wakofo obi fufuro ne nanyem. Na so say enko tua ne damage. How will you calculate 3 miscarriages? Who the value be na better?
The ladies should know that some men are wicked. So no matter what you do to them, they won't change. So they should be very, very careful. That's what I would advise them to do.
Okay.
Yes.
Etimpacho ebusuafo the lawyer be kan waka no. O say law no be bia ni wa ode mbefa ode ko atugba wa enye justice sofa akufu enye CJ ode ko chese be bia ni ode ko be ye the law no be kan so e ma damage. Ye ntumi enforce be ma ne so one wanyem ana one wada ana one wa ya abortion one wo chese enti enko waka se bra no no ntena enye bebe Easter bebe kowi ye koso atonga e de akokwo ama nkofo ko 3 days of Easter ye ko bu nkofo ya se gum sa na odo abetena kra free owi anu akofa girl foforo no nnam afa na wo chichi me mo aya mo frame mo de sa cases be ma mo frame why mo bu atopa no na me ni ho Muhammad dodo ya no bu atopa na we no ma frɛ e na sister e na me ni o ma tra na no girl bi ba 20 years oni akokra we di sister unana na bua ya se gum simple me na afa de ofrɛ me nya den atuguba ntumi mua nti me na me nya den me fa nkɔ nana do patro ntwe ehomra wo yo ba afrɛ question bia boy bi ni wa wo Upese oye breach of you promise to marry. Ana ye de no court ni bi. Ana wonhwe akola no. Ma ye ntie ne nyina ye kama. Kai said nana techi bites. Papa tatare. Mpacho unni girl, unni kunu, unni yire and try. Eye solid keke. What you saying? Na my boy sa no. My Benny's estate. Uwo sa uwo nimdi ahu. Unye sika amfanya tupabuo. Ukotena ba na ankokra 1 million fa yesusu. Brahma Benny's ye be mo asase. Ye ba sese a freying. Numbers o screen so na fa ye mon komo question bi abusa lawyer na lawyer anchechu mu. Why? Me wo case na ani ye ba sese a. Sama makwaba bi mi wo case na ye hwe ne live wo Adom TV so any asempa 94.7 make us free na wo question bia na watimi ato e de ama lawyers na abrantie ba ko ebinum ahyase de o case subscribe o Facebook na Nana Kofi Randy de the number ba so issue bi nana ye be free why so no need to waste your credits and one to be drop your number na ye be free Johnson abi ugle me no see if you good topic pa na mrantie ne ma ba na ba no omo rush dodo to me pack ne ho pa de koto be ma so by force be man wire and one lawyer can oh yes sir na oh how Movim or see keep fighting political pastor cashier and no Joshua tete no see if you we are very brave pa many jiwaku could draw no asem de e be ya mema ya kra no aka no kra no na only lawyer mo ka no yentu mema no fo na na kwesi no see keep the fire burn vim why are there pa say mo de issues we e de abana mo man krofo ate ensem no ase na kwesi maka wo de John na and I say vim mo ya de pa industry we mu de you are really going far from Pon Andrews or say if you are too much pa no lawyer say ma mo kana e good Thomas Kojo entry no say if you so here papa na Richard Nyako de or say Facebook streaming na say teteko nti we or mesepa bra Adom TV ubenya details in our Adom TV so multi TV de boss so fellas akito no say if you good topic pan and only lawyer mo discuss but in the meantime no me try mo course mo frɛ numbers on screen so na o question bia bia oni oba bite we are fantini kra de wan hwe no anya oba no ho ade a owu a ye be mo aye funu no wedding no wasa wo be ye funu no ho ade ansa na wasie no timpato anya easy asama ye ka no famra kwan so po oba na why ne ye no ho ade simple so ho sa anti hwe number no na fe frɛ ye betimi afa 1 or 2 calls bi keke na ya to aso nyesa number no call no time no be yen Joseph Kwame ni mopoku no se fia WhatsApp number no sa fa ma me bio eno na mabo no hwe screen so a number no wo ho no frɛ na fa o question bra Kwame Frimpon no so well done vim and na de ye ni question bia ma because emema no matete ye to no nti ye na ye mebusa question na ma ne menya ye wo ho ena Inusa Suleiman no se fia yakopon sham ni issues ya mo de aba mo discussion Benjamin Norbert se fia I'm enjoying discussion enwumei mo de abetu dwa ka che lawyer say o ya de pass and bro for na edo so but me yama sheme Benjamin se fia how do you know your cameraman na techi me cameraman omo case na se minimum omo ye move me have concern eyes so every corner meaning baby omo na nti omo ko fa game draw so wrong wa masa me amechi o mama ba be ka se me kwotena bonti me ka obi da na me nya omo de no ansa Richard no se vim me hia mo number no papa me wo issue sakase bi a ni nyina mpese me de bremu na na he mark si wa eno ka se vim me so me wo issues papa in fact I'm enjoying discussion am ye ne issues a lawyer e dia betu dwa na na ma se Yakopon hia ma sem na maka no ye so aye ho enkoche be ma bia biom ne ye nyina ye ni ate ye ma be ma bia me fa free Desmond Jifa Malik and also me so my enjoy discussion am de aba no it's true say enem ma answer questions ni nti na ye hye de nya question bia ye de ba be brem no o so ohia number no pa no de ato edwa metimi e de abrem nti Desmond ye wi a de obetimi de number na ma ye na fe mabusa issues ni na de amam David Tego also ye obi a wo ta hwe Adom TV pa da se wo hwe Adom TV de mine issues na wo de mine na lawyer fa final words am say ne ya te mema no to ye betim to sa ma no so ye betim to mamo nya akwadworo ma ne bia ba no ye lazy enye de bia na ye beketia mema no e ma ne ye mu bebre lazy ye be ye adwuma no enim se be ma bi wo adwuma oye adwuma bank odwuma media house bi ti ye so aye ho mfa nkoche no ntu de no ansa wo da ho wonya adwuma e na wo de wo beji akodi da bi ene ma no ye bie company kwa employ mema no ti ye adwuma se nyema kakra kwa na beton a unim ochara na wa ye big woman so me anya akwadwo lawyer my final west ye be ma ye nyina ni beda wo mranim
So thank you very much. I'm not just a lawyer, I'm also a preacher. So I advise ladies to be very, very careful. They should keep themselves before marriage. Because that's what the Bible enjoins them to do. Quran also enjoins them to keep themselves. Traditionally too, they are not supposed to give themselves to men before marriage. So they should be very, very careful.
Yeah, that's if a lawyer Kwaku Aribike, lawyer Penny, principal state attorney meboa. Oladele ne mabasa me be hide. She say Buhari be cheno. Why we ko no ho wetimi anko. Oladele Kwaku Aribike. Needing no registrar general department lawyer Penny senior principal state attorney. Yes. Nti o ka sama registrar general so na Hawaii ni nyina mo na register. I just said they were going to court and they were in the roof. I will call register our assembly. To a foot on a very good say. And found Chebe maybe. It's as a Ghana man. Yeah, arrangement be out on Chebe maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. A more baby. And one say, Bia, was shall boss or bear breach of promise and no damage. I hear the Bema and quite difficult to prove. Because Bema best member court, because I said, I need what to pronounce where I ended you. Only a matua maye. Only manage a mere zete. Bema bia so no bada ba kwa just 3 days and sana hode no lose here abehemu so no bet me kwa argument lawyer I'm slaving for the girl my man will enjoyment to pass nti misramo lawyer na kan enko fanko che we osombo ye ho expensive bema bi me ye ho ade ansa na obefa ko what I say e de besia no case na yakopon ye adoma next week e besia dem wonim efi April ko no ye pese system. If you are the name of for ba mo bododo nti ye de abehye ya wada Thursday nti April ko nyina ye beba me wo case na ya wada na ewia Friday no mo mbabo no mo de mo kobo na yakopon hu onyame ehu ate onyame we hu na na techi bites on de ye duro we nyansa na na techi bites dudo ye duro mesremo we wa wo pebo a enko ho ye duro woni yira enko ho because ye sisie mo adwuma papa sanso na ma Benis Center ho no estate company a wo motonton asase complete building you turn them out madam anwumre ye de me wo case na edibro ya bo for cameraman ni production team ni nyina makeup for ye da mo ase papa ne mo se makeup ne tia po anu se makeup for wa ha chesenya asemketwa Raymond ne lead team ni nyina for direction any production ni nyina ye da mas yankopon fanche ye no fanche mu nyina o de do me a next week e be shi ade chen de enim but it's up to God grace no any mercy ne be fi nyina so yankopon ya do me be shi afa me vim lady efia pokua mo anything